I'm Ricardo Manzanillo, co-owner of Dominican Barber Shop. I was working on Dominican Barber Shop, 580 Richmond Road, for 13 years. I decided to grow as a professional. I was looking for a place where I could go and provide my service to other people. I have a kind of vision. I was looking for a closer location to the train station, and the only part I see the whole island was this location on Clove Road. That's why I decided to contact the owner of this area, this location, to see if I can rent it out and provide our service to the community.